What's up YouTube, ReggieTech here, and today we're going to be reviewing and installing the eSamcore full coverage screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So before we get into this installation, let's take a look around the package, and we'll also take a look at the contents that we get inside, and then we'll begin. Alright you guys, so taking a look at the package, you can see up at the top it says new, it says the S9 Plus, and that's the phone model that this screen protector is specifically made for. You can also see it says the company's name and that it's a full protection screen protector. And right here you can see it has a little bit of details. It does say that it's a full coverage screen protector. It has a precise position, it has no liquid spray, and it's bubble free. Down here at the bottom it says that it's an eSamcore original, it's case friendly, and it includes 3 guide stickers to make this a super easy installation. Taking a look at the back, you do get that tear off line, and that's how you open up the package. It says eSamcore again, original phone kits right there. And the features of this screen protector is that it's a military grade screen protector that features abrasion and scratch resistance. It's soft to the touch, it enhances toughness, it has elasticity, it has a UV resistance, and it has an HD transparency. It's a full coverage adhesive that offers a special edge-to-edge protection for the full screen. It's anti-shock, meaning that the soft material absorbs the impact when it's dropped, and it protects against getting scratches while keeping your full phone covered. It's case friendly, so it fits most cases for your phone, and you won't have any issues of the cases lifting up the edge of this screen protector either. It has an easy installation, there's no liquid spray and no 24-hour waiting time, and it can be installed in 5 minutes. So the application guide is as follows. It gives you a 1 through 6 step process that makes it super easy to install this screen protector. So taking a look at the application guide, it tells you to wash your hands completely clean and clean the device using the included rubbing alcohol pad. Then it says to rub the screen with a dry soft cloth, meaning a microfiber. The second step is to peel off the label 1 and align it with the top of your screen by holding the edges of the phone. Then you're going to want to press down to the top of the screen where you've just removed that first film. And then for step number 4, you're going to start removing the rest of the film that's protecting the screen protector. And as you're doing that, to squeegee out any kind of air bubbles or anything that gets under the screen. And then it says to carefully adhere the edges of the screen, just press down on it gently, and then all you have to do is peel off the 3rd layer, and that's basically the final portion of this installation. Alright you guys, so this is everything that we get in the package. We get 2 alcohol prep pads, we get the really nice ruler squeegee here, I really do like this. We get an eSamcore microfiber cloth, we get dust remover stickers, and we get a card for the installation video. And let's not forget to mention that we do get 2 screen protectors in this package so that in case we mess up on one, we can go ahead and redo it with the next one. So you guys, let's get started with this installation. So step number 1, this is what you guys are going to have to do on your own. Go and make sure that your hands are completely clean by washing them. Then you're going to want to take that alcohol prep pad and just go ahead and clean your screen thoroughly and make sure that there's no smudges or any specks of dust left over. After cleaning your screen with the alcohol prep pad, you're going to want to just take that microfiber cloth and give your screen a nice buff. And after you see that your screen is smudge free, you're going to want to go ahead and take the dust remover stickers and just pass it over the screen to wherever you see any built up lint or dust that just won't come off. And after you do that, we're all set to begin. So you're going to want to just peel off layer 1 of this screen protector like so. And after you peel off the first layer, you're just going to want to line it up with the screen. And for me, I find this the most comfortable way to line it up to where you can actually get a precise fit around all the sensors and camera and the earpiece. And once you get it lined up, you're just going to want to take that squeegee that they do provide and give it a nice press. And if you see any air bubbles in there, just try your best to get them out. And then you're just going to want to peel off the second layer right here, like so. And while peeling it off, just go ahead and press down on the screen and use your squeegee to remove any air bubbles whatsoever that may have gotten under there. And then you're going to see a couple of air bubbles right here, so you're just going to want to push them out. Alright, and now that we've gotten off most of the air bubbles from your screen, you're just going to want to press down the sides, just like this. And you're going to want to peel off the third layer of this screen protector. And once you've peeled off the third layer, all you have to do is just continue to press down on the edges so that the edge of the screen protector adheres to the edge of the screen. And once you do that and you still see a little bit of air bubbles around the corners, all you have to do is take your microfiber cloth and wrap it on the squeegee so that you don't damage the screen protector. And just squeegee out everything else that you see. Alright you guys, and that installation was just as easy as that. And as you can see, it doesn't even look like a screen protector is applied to this phone. It looks super nice, and it was a super easy installation because of their 3-step process. Alright you guys, so now that we're done installing the screen protector and it was a super easy installation, let's go ahead and test out how the screen works, and we'll also test it out with the case. Alright you guys, and now that we have the phone on and you guys have seen just how the startup screen of this phone was, this screen protector doesn't hinder in any way the colors of this beautiful screen. As you guys can see, and if you guys have been watching my other reviews on screen protectors, this is my little test screen right here. So we have the blue, the red, the yellow, the blue again, the green, and the red. And as you can see, everything looks phenomenally well with this screen protector. So their high definition quality that they do say it has is really true, and it does live up to its name. And although I installed the screen protector onto the phone, I don't even notice that it's there. It's a very, very low profile screen protector in the matter that it looks like it just blends in with the actual screen itself. Let's see if we can get just the sensors and everything border right there so you guys can see that there is actually a screen protector installed here. But other than that, it feels very nice. Let's test out the sensitivity on this screen protector. And the sensitivity is phenomenal. There is no lag whatsoever, and it recognizes every single touch that I make. And using the swipe function with this screen protector, it feels extremely nice. It feels like I'm touching just the bare glass of the screen. So let's go ahead and put some cases on this and see how it fits. And we're going to go ahead and test it out with the same 5 cases that I have been using with this phone so far. The 2 Caseology cases and the 3 Spigen cases. Here we have the Caseology Skyfall series case, and as you guys can see, it fits perfectly with this case, leaving just a little bit of space between the edge of the screen protector and the edge of the border of the case. Here is the Caseology Parallax case, and once again the screen protector fits extremely well. Here we have the Spigen Hybrid Armor case, and as you can see, everything fits very nicely. Here is the Rugged Armor case from Spigen, but I can see that this case is actually pushing up the borders of the screen protector. And this case does have very thick borders, so that's the reason why. And finally, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Crystal Clear case has no issues with this screen protector whatsoever. So you guys, my final thoughts on the screen protector, it's probably one of the best screen protectors that I've done a review on for this phone so far. I love the fact that the screen protector had such an easy installation. All it was 3 steps and that was it. And when we took a look at all the colors and how everything looked with the screen actually on, the screen protector didn't hinder in any way the colors or the performance of the screen. The touch sensitivity was great, the screen quality was perfect, everything just looked great. And we tested out 5 cases on the screen protector, and 4 out of those 5 cases that we did try out on this screen protector fit perfectly with it. So I gotta say, overall, this screen protector is a really great screen protector if you're looking for a screen protector for your Galaxy S9 Plus or S9, because it is available for both models. If you guys want to take a look at these screen protectors, I will be leaving a link to them down in the description box below. And if you guys have any questions or comments on the screen protector, I'll be happy to answer any of them. So go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. So if you guys like this video and you guys like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you guys thought this video was useful in any way and you guys liked what you've seen, consider hitting that subscribe button as well. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.